the reticular activating system in the back of your brain. So, lucky girl syndrome.
Have you heard about this concept called the lucky girl syndrome? For my other non-chronically online person, it's really the gratitude technique. Because it's been around for a while. It's literally just choosing to see the positive in your everyday life. But a few years back, I just decided this statement was right for me. I just was like, you know what? I'm at the right place at the right time, all the time. I'm always lucky. And the crazy thing is, life, universe, God reaffirmed it for me. There might be a certain part of your brain that's maybe doing this work for you and then letting you see all the good in life. But I truly believe God really has just kind of looked out for me in general. So for me, it's always worked. Like it really always worked. Let me put this back. I just really believe like, well, even when things are bad, there was a reason for it. Or I think some days I've really just been delusional. Really, truly, truly delusional. And it's worked. Like, who is it hurting? As lucky girl syndrome is really believing that the things that you want, you can have because you're lucky and good things always happen for you. But the mentality part comes into play. So it's like spirituality and obviously your mentality obviously goes so hand in hand. The more that you believe the positive, the more that you believe that something good is happening for you, the more you see it. And whether it's self-affirming or maybe you just start to make the right decisions as to like, oh, I should be starting the business that I've always wanted to start. I should be studying for the class if I think good things happen to me. Because then if I study, I know that I have a higher probability of passing. And in that case, good things do happen to me. So sometimes it's you doing the good things for yourself. But because you put that energy into the universe, saying, universe, I want good things to happen to me, it happens. I don't know. I think I'm just going to put lip gloss on. Yeah. To do and be whatever we want to be. So it is literally up to you to tell the universe, to tell God what you want out of your life. If you're in a sense, you're really just telling the universe, these are the things that I want. These are the things that I want to come to me. And the universe and God affirms it for you. Says, yeah, you're right. That's exactly who you are. Because that's exactly what you tell us that you are. Us, the universe, God, the beings that are. I think it's good. I always like to put like the two hairs down, but maybe today I don't do that. I'm just going to put my earrings on and clean girl it.